Hello students, good morning everyone. Today's our 6th class science topic is about getting to know plants. The plants are present all around us. Plants are living things like human beings. They are living organisms which grow in a permanent site by the absorption of water and mineral from the soils and prepare their food with the help of sunlight and in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis process is that process in which green plants generally makes their own food with the help of chlorophyll which is present in the green leaves of the plant and in the presence of sunlight. Okay, now here we will discuss about different types of the plants. There are many types of the plants such as herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. These are the different types of the plants. First one is the herbs. Herbs are the plants which have soft green short stem. Soft and green short stems are called the herbs plants. Okay? They are generally small in size. Herb plants are generally small in size. Okay? After that, they may live for 1 to 2 seasons. Live for 1 to 2 seasons. For example, some herbs are grass, maize, rice, etc. After that, next is shrubs. Shrubs are the plants that have woody stems. It is medium-sized plants. Shrubs are the medium-sized plants. They survive for many years. They survive for many years, such as China rose, lemon, they survive for many years but less than the trees because trees have more life than the shrubs. Okay, after that trees are the very large sized plants. They have a large stem. They have a high life. They survive for many years. Branches of the trees arise at the bottom of the plants, some distance above the ground. Trees branches start from small distances from the ground. For example, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, etc. After that, climbers and creepers. Climbers have weak stem. But they climb up with the help of the wall or another plants. They climb in upward direction. they need of another plant which support them to climbing in upward direction. For examples, grapes, money plants. For example, grapes, money plant. After that, creepers. Creepers also have weak stem and cannot stand upright, so they spread on the ground and are called creepers. For example, sweet potato, pumpkin, sweet potato, pumpkin, etc. These are the some different types of the plants which we have discussed. After that, part of flowering plants. Now we will discuss some parts of the flowering plants. Some parts of the flowering plants. Here first we will discuss about the root system. Mainly there are two parts of the flowering plants, that is root system and the shoot system. Root system and the shoot system. Mainly there are two parts of the flowering plants. Root system is the part which present under the ground. Root system is the part of the plant which is present under the ground. It is the non-green part of a plant. It consists primary roots and its branches. First is the characteristics of the roots. Roots develop from the seeds. Roots develop with the help of the seeds. They grow towards soil and water. By absorption of water, growth of the root takes place into the soil. They grow away from the sunlight. They do not have nodes and internodes. Nodes and internodes are present in the shoot system. We will discuss it later. And after that, they have some lateral branches. Mainly, first is the primary roots. And some lateral branches are the secondary roots and tertiary roots. Primary roots. Now the parts of the root. Now parts of the root. This is the ground. This is the main root of the plant, which is known as the primary roots. And the roots which are appearing from these primary roots are known as the secondary roots. And the further branching of the secondary roots are known as the tertiary root. This is our primary roots. This is both these are secondary roots, and further branching of the roots are known as the tertiary roots. Okay. After that, types of the root system. Types of root system. Mainly there are two types of the root system, that is tap root system and the fibrous root system. Tap root system and the fibrous root system. Tap root system and fibrous root system. Tap root is called the true root of the plant. Tap root is thick and long. It grows vertically downward in the soil. Vertically downward in the soil. Taproot is generally found in the dicot plants. Taproot is generally found in the dicot plants. Fibrous roots are generally not so thick. Their primary root is short-lived. All the branches arises from the base of a stem and they are present in monocot plants. They are present in monocot plants. Examples of dicot plants are mustard, gram, and monocot plants are wheat, rice, grasses, barley, etc. Fibrous root shows by monocot plants and taproot system is shown by the dicot plants. After that, modification of roots. Modification of roots means roots have many type of uses. First is the storage of food. In modification, first is storage of food. Some plants' roots are used to store food, are used as a food. For example, carrot, radish, turnip, etc. They store food. After that, some show spore system. Some show spore system. Some roots provide spore to the plants, stilt roots and prop roots. Stilt roots and prop roots. These two type of roots give support to the plant. Stilt roots are present in bamboo and sugarcane plants. Bamboo and sugarcane plants. They provide additional support to the plants. After that, prop roots in banyan and rubber trees. This type of roots are present in banyan and rubber trees. This type of roots are present. Prop roots are just like rope. So they are also called rope roots. These roots are just like rope. Okay. After that, climbing. Third one is climbing. Some roots help the plants to climb in upward direction. These roots arise from the nodes of the plants. Climbing roots arise from the nodes of the plant. They help the plant to stick with the wall. Stick with the wall, and with the help of wall they climb in upward direction. After that, parasitic roots. After that, parasitic roots. Plants like dodder plants have special type of roots. Plants like dodder plants. Dodder plants have special type of roots. These roots are called parasitic roots, and they arise from their system by absorption of water and minerals with the help of the soil, which is with the help of the host plant. With the help of the host plant. Parasitic roots absorb water and mineral with the help of the host plant. After that, functions of roots. Function of roots. Mainly there are two functions, that is fixation and absorption. Fixation and absorption. Fixation means it fixes the plant into the soil. Roots fix the plants into the soil, and absorption, root hair help in absorption of water and minerals from the soil, and the development of the growth of the plant takes place with the help of the root system. So root system is very essential for the plants. Okay, thanks a lot.